After removing a carpet, vinyl, or tile, we know that it leaves your concrete floor in completely poor conditions, full of crack stains, and a thick layer of glue for everywhere. As a property owner, it can be a headache to find the best option to leave your floor as new brand. So in this cases, when you don't have a clear vision to restore it as perfect floor, Equa Epoxy Floors Residential Commercial Industrial has the answer. We are specialized in polishing concrete floors, refinish concrete floors, resurfacing concrete floors, leveling concrete floors, epoxy coatings, reflector color coatings epoxy. Our team will evaluate and will find the best way to meet your expectations and guarantee your satisfaction. To refinishing concrete floors, state-of-the-art equipment is used to guarantee the best results from the beginning to the end. To treat your floor in optimal way, this equipment is provided with abrasives, which are diamond segmented. These act as the sandpaper for your concrete, and will grind it down to the degree of smoothness and shine. Say goodbye to ugly cracks that may be a liability to anyone who steps foot on your property. Refinish a concrete floor adds value to your property. That's so easy to maintain and clean because it is completely washable. At same time, be ready to enjoy 10 to 20 years of good-looking shiny floor. When the concrete floor grinding and polishing job has been completed, it should result in a mirror-like glossy finish. In Equa Epoxy Floors, as a full-service concrete flooring company, we hold ourselves to a high standard of excellence. Among our values, we are committed to providing an exceptional customer experience from the very first phone call. Contact us for a free quote and schedule an appointment. Call now to 914-384-8659 and follow us on all the social web as Equa Epoxy Floors Corp.